In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, enterprises demand more control, security, and customization over their networks. That's where private networks come in. Private networks offer a dedicated, secure, and highly customizable communication infrastructure for businesses tailored to meet their specific needs. But what makes private networks stand out? They provide enhanced security, optimized performance, and the flexibility to adapt to various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. From enabling automation in factories to powering IoT devices in smart cities, private networks allow businesses to take full control of their connectivity, ensuring smooth operations and high levels of performance. Choose Summa Networks for a unique and versatile solution that addresses your private LTE 5G network requirements efficiently. Our mobile core solution stands out as a central and indispensable component for private network deployments. Summa Networks' private network solution covers a wide spectrum of services, including data, VoLTE, and VoWiFi, ensuring a comprehensive and versatile solution that meets diverse communication needs in today's fast-paced telecom market.